Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change keyboard language in Android 15 beta. To change keyboard language, first go into Settings and then slide down to System. Now click on Keyboard, on-screen keyboard, and choose a keyboard you're currently using. I'm using Gboard. The default option is Gboard, so if you haven't changed your keyboard, click on Gboard. OK, and then click on Languages, and now you can choose a language. You can add new keyboard. I'm gonna choose Chinese. Simplified, and you can choose a keyboard layout if this keyboard supports more than one. I'm gonna choose a pinyin layout. You can adjust if it's Chinese pinyin, you can adjust pinyin settings, but if it's different keyboard, you may be able to adjust its settings, then press on Done. Now you can delete the previous layout or leave it as it is, and you will be able to switch between them. Now I'm in English, and I can click on this icon to switch to Chinese pinyin. And now I can type, for example, coffee in Chinese. And you can see it works. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.